This is something you haven't seen. Let's go to Loppi. Come on. Herkules, my pants are falling. So, this is Loppi city, a village, and it's nice summer cottage, cabin, visitors place. There are many cabins in this area and many lakes. It's very nice and peaceful town or village, how do you like to say. 2 grocery stores, S-market, K-market, and 1 gas station. Then we have gym and 1 barber shop. I can come here often to cottage, and it's nice place to hang out. Oh, there's a pizzeria. Okay, let's take a little tour. I take you later to nice cafe place called Lättis. It's a Flathead train, but it's transformed to cafeteria. And here's S-market. There's also a liquor store and pizza automat. You can buy pizza in there. Here's very nice in here. Loppeen torilla lauantaina. Something political happening. Markkinat. Here's townhouse or city house. Kaupungin talo, kunnan talo, community house. Maintained place. Loppis logo. Oh. And here's Finnish TV show Kuokkavieras Kataja has filmed here his TV series. Okay, I didn't remember or know that. Oh, there's some kind of layer. Let's see what is up. All right. Huh. Nice. Let's continue our tour. Herkules, my pants are falling. Let's go over there. We're heading to Loppi's library. All right. Nice library. And some ice cream, food. There's pharmacy and K-market. Here we find more lions. He don't have name. It's Ukonmajan leijona. Oh. People here are so interested. I think many people don't do social media in here. And here's the K-market. Hardware store. Here you can buy wood, bikes called Loppi, and everything nice. Here's some kotikamari. It's old. I don't know. Old. This Märttinä, I don't know what it is. And some handcraft. Nice to have these old traditions. And And these little villages are very known of them. They are doing nice handcraft. Here's empty store. Now I know it's a local marketplace. But I don't know. There's barber shop. Old lunch place. I don't know if they're selling any more lunch. Magic feet, taikajalat. Alright. And bank, of course. Here you have to get some money. It's a local bank. Should I go ask for raise on my videos? Here's local pub. Loppi. Nice summer terrace. Wow. Beer, salad, pasta. And here's something happenings. But not in this weekend. And dance studio. And there's nice shirts. They are renovating the church now. It looks nice. Maybe we go closer. Now we are here in the Loppi's sport holy place. So, running tracks, something you can throw a ball. Anything. Here they have nice equipment, training equipment. Let's try it. Ooh. This is sports. Oh! Let's try this. Daily workout. Now we are skiing. Very short movement. Oh shit. Little wet, but let's do it half sitting. All right. Little bicep. All right. And then rowing. This is nice. This is very nice. Maybe I can train after I done the video. So this is Loppi's sport paradise. Let's continue our trip to Lättis. And maybe something more. And then there's Fleet Market. Nice little Fleet Market. Open, everything fun. Vanha muuntaja. Joo.
536 vuotta. Itellä kentässä näistä, että se on ollut useampi mylly.
Joo.
Ylipysty.
Niin, se on joo. That was a little history tour in Loppi. Really nice. Old mill and fleet market and one old electricity station what was powered in water. Now we're entering to Cafe Lättis. Old Flathead train. So this was the day's Loppi tour. Now cafe, then drive back to cabin, take some beers, maybe 5 or 6 and heat up sauna, rest for the night, rest of the weekend. I hope you enjoyed the tour in Loppi and let's see where are we next time. Hats off. So, if you like, subscribe, comment, where should we go next? And Janko, out. I'm outside. But, let's go, why not? So, today we went Loppi, old mill, electricity station and Cafe Lättis. Comment below what did you think about. What was the nicest place? I think Cafe Lättis was really good and old mill. There was old stuff. I like it.